Keseruan Apalagi meron tayong
Pupunta pa ba kayo mamaya?
Uwi na.
Kasi dyan pa yung video, no? Leo!
Meron pala ako lang gusto ng bola. Gusto na gusto naman hindi. Doon na yung gusto pala. Nabitawan na. Nagawa niya si Basket. Zero. Pas juga berbentuk sembilan belas. Terus. Seruan lepas keset di sana. Untuk berkesan waktu kesetujuan. Sudah selesai dari dewasa tahun 2004. Jersey number 60. Jersey number 16 Venezuela. Jersey number 4.
Dart! Sila yun! Ano ba tabla?
Let's go! Persiapan lapangan 5-19 sampai 3-3 Woodward 7-15 tak 7-15 Lawan yes tentang waktu sebagai lawan Detlako. Begitu US. Another 2 points by Justin for 27.
I see!
And there was a lucky ball by jersey number 09. Jersey number 09 that was the first person call second call. And there was a lucky violation. Number 9, to Woodward. Because the first person of all first people. Welcome.
Seconds remaining.
Good. That's good.
Warning for penalty.
And there was a foul there committed by jersey number 23 of the Guzman. That was the first personal foul, penalty foul.
Not knock. Free to shoot.
47 seconds.
So we got the one pass of the second. Still by 09 to 19. So now we have the third.
White ball.
First time. Just another basket on the jersey number 9.
50 seconds.
Okay. 30.
10 seconds.
Let's go.
5.
It's the thing.
Think about your coach.
It's the thing. It goes to the 15.
Right ball, Tyler.
Third of the third. Avalanche. Just the one. Kita akan terus kita lihat 2 points by jersey number 1. Avalanche.
Kanina apat yung labang, tapos nag-basket lang din, dalawang lang labang. Tapos dalawang press.
Jersey number 1. Jersey side. Yes. Datang ke tayo. Estafet untuk jersey number 16. Jersey number 16. Avalanche untuk jersey number 16. Back to Avalanche. Avalanche. Another 2 points by Avalanche. Istri berbau, lantai menang dan tidak. 12 Jersey number 16. Jersey number 16, that was your second personal foul. 30 points. One number 2. Escape. Tiga sedikit. Satu escape. Escape dari saya. Kita mulai. Ada tangan. Escape. Escape. Tiga sedikit. Tiga sedikit. Mana dibantu di sini sikit, 12. Sedikit baru sudah. Yes, that's right. Kita selesai, kita 16. Saya walau itu escape, tak walau.
Bonus gitu.
Jangan lepas ke lapangan. Avalanche itu orang Super serangan asik. Baru masuk foul. Itu besar posisi nomor 16. Dulu kembali. 16. Coba siapa yang berhasil sistem? Yes, sangat. Masuk ke Setelah Juta lalu penurunan terus belak kita berhasil setuju 15 dan 3 point area 15 shot 15 sekali